Steve Wells, JJ Roofing Supplies. I'm at our Sidcup store. We're doing some videos. Been open 5 months now. I just want to talk to you about some more VELUX online virtual training. As you may remember, we're offering accredited installer status to people who can do a minimum of our 4 online courses, and we've got a handful of people who are at that stage. And I just want to publicise a couple of more courses. Tuesday the 22nd of March, 10 o'clock in the morning to 11:30, we're going to be running the Integra window training session. It'll all be online, all virtual, and everybody joins in. Absolutely great, with Mark Diamond from Velux. And then on Thursday the 7th of April, 10 till 11:30, Velux are with us again to run through the VELUX flashing training, which again is another great session to be involved in. Loads of interactions, loads of questions, loads of videos. It's not like being there in person. They're coming back very soon, but while we're waiting for that all to land again, obviously some more online installer training. Obviously you can get your first year's accreditation paid by JJ Roofing Supplies once you've visited and interacted with one of our online training courses. So there's 2 more. We've got a landing page Nick will put the link to, that you can go and book your space on that course. They're absolutely great. We've had good uptake, so don't miss out. Get on them certified installer courses and get a little bit more knowledge on VELUX install, because at JJ Roofing Supplies, if it's on the roof, we stock it.